Hi guys, and welcome back to my latest video, making caramel slices. Laters! Right, moving on to the caramel slices. Again, the fat and the sugar into the bowl. Like that. And literally speaking, again, mix to a nice creamy finish before we add the egg. See you in a bit. Right, that's the fat and the sugar, nicely creaming up. Right, now we'll knock it from first speed to second speed. And literally speaking, we just let that mix until it's nice and it's risen up the bowl a bit. See you in a bit. Right, it's time to add in the egg. A little bit of time. You don't put as much egg in this one because this is the base of the caramel shortbread is in the saying. It's caramel shortbread. So, yeah, again, we got the scraper. Knock it off, put your hand in, give a good scrape round. And now we're popping back onto second speed. There you go. And we leave it in the mixing bowl now until it all comes up and it gets all nice and fluffy. Right, and now we're ready for the flour. Again, knock it on first speed. And literally, again, you only want to put half the amount of flour in. Let it stir a few times. Okay, bowl a bit. Get to the bottom, just to make sure the flour mixes it in with all the bottom stuff. There we go. On the other side, in. Knock it on to second speed for a... Oh, by the way, that was third. Second speed. Pull it off. Now we'll drop it back to first speed again. And putting the rest of the flour. Now it's actually going to make into like a little dough. Not completely a dough, but bring that in a bit more for you. again. Just make sure everything's scraped off the bottom. And that's practically ready. And that is it, really. That is all you need to do. It's just a couple more minutes on first. And we'll come back to that in a few minutes. Right, let's get this out of the bowl. Again, if you're going to be using pastry again, or a mix the same as this, again, you can keep this and reuse it, as long as it's not chocolate over there. And literally speaking, all you're going to do now is scoop it out of the bowl. Move the bowl out the way. Again. Now what I'm going to do now is scale it into 4 for the trays, because I put 2 halves, roll it out on both sides so it makes it easier for me. Right then, get your bits of the bread, sticking. I've marked it up already, some sort of cheating a little bit, and literally you roll it out to the marker line. I mean, in these big factories they have machines that machine all this out, so it comes to perfection every time. And obviously you have that horrible gassy flavour as well. You can't beat us small artisan bakers. There. Here, bit of flour on top, come around this side, tray. As long as it's fairly even. Don't want it high in one area, because when you bake it, it will go very thin. So, when you've done that, literally speaking, get yourself a docker or a fork. Right, I'll see you later for the next part. Hi guys, the next stage of the process for the caramel slices is putting the fudge topping on the top, then followed by the chocolate. And now you'll see me do that. See you in a bit. Hi guys, we're now back with putting the chocolate on top of the caramel.